How to cook a bunch of bananas in 7 minutes. Smiling face with open mouth and cold sweat. Grinning face with smiling eyes.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Don't remove in the plastic so they can sharing. The love of heat inside heavy black hard hash.
We cook in the microwave oven with maximum heat settings in 6 to 7 minutes. The time is over and we will see the color of the banana are still green.
What?
The last process, let it be cool inside 5 to 10 minutes so they will sharing the love of steam process inside. After cool down process, it's time to chop.
What? Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Aduh, bobo. Wajib Fabi di dah tu.
What?
Follow for more. We cook corn next.
Oh my god. You do. Oh my god. You do.